IRPC adına Sayın Suthep Kwampian'i kürsüye davet ediyorum. Sunumunun konusuna gelince sürdürülebilir büyüme için Yeşil ABS.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Suthep Kwampian from IRPC. I am the head of research and development for Styrenics business. First of all, I would like to introduce our company briefly. Our company's IRPC is located in the eastern parts of Thailand in the Southeast Asia. Our philosophy is to balance the economy, ecologies, and social to drive in sustainable growth. This is our company policies. Our company has the major shareholder from the PTT group, the government sectors. We have four mainly business. The first is petroleum. We have a big, I mean, maybe not big for you, but big in Thailand, is the refineries plants. A petrochemical business, including the plastics such as the ABS, polystyrene, and many kinds of plastic. We have the wide area of industrial estates and the ports and tank business. We have many kinds of the products that we say later. We are the fully integrated petrochemical complex in Southeast Asia. Sorry. We have many kinds of products produced and located in the eastern side of Thailand. We have a deep seaport and areas of industrial estates. Our vision is to be the top quartile petrochemicals complex in Asia by 2014. We have many things to do. Coming to the green ABS. First, I have to introduce about the ABS plastic generally. The ABS plastic is composed of three kinds of monomers in each letter. The letter A is the acrylonitrile. It is for the chemical resistance. The letter B is butadiene monomers. It becomes to the butadiene rubber for impact modification in the plastics. The letter S is polystyrene that you know very well later. For the ABS, we have many applications to do that in the. For the office automation, we use the ABS in the facsimiles machines, in the printers, in the telephones, or in the electrical part, we use the ABS in the refrigerator liners, in the electrical fan, or you can use the ABS for toys, for the other parts, some things. And now we launched the new ABS powder to be the impact modifier in the PVC compounding. And now IRPC produce ABS, general ABS of 100,000 tons a year, and we will increase to 180,000 tons a year. And come to the green ABS. What is the green ABS? Because this is our common problem. The demand is less, the supply is greater than demand in ABS products in Southeast Asia. And we have to do something to survive. And I think we have to be a specialty products producer. We launch many kinds of products, such as the anti-dippings, the impact modifiers, and now we try to do some green products. As you know that Thailand is the #1 natural rubber producer in the world. We have many areas, wide areas of the rubber tree in the southern parts or in eastern parts. And next to our factory, we have many rubber trees. And so the green ABS is we try to replace the letter B, the butadiene monomer, with the natural rubbers. After the natural rubber latex is taken from the tree next to our factories, it is stabilized with the ammonia or the other chemicals to stabilize, and then that go to our factories and go to the reactors to be the vulcanization process with the peroxide, and then go to the grafting polymerization with acrylonitrides and styrene monomers. And now you get the A, NR, and S polymers. After this polymer will come to the normal ABS producer process in production. You will get the ABS with the natural rubber inside that. And now we can produce the ABS with natural rubbers more than 10% in the by weight. And if you calculate to the replacements with the butadiene, we can replace 50% butadiene with the natural rubbers inside. You can see the green ABS. Some people in here have this pencil. The green ABS can be used in the ABS generals, and we have some improvements. To do that, we can use the natural rubber from the farmers outside of our factories. So our raw material is securities. We don't need to import the butadiene from the outside of country, and we save the money to going out. This money come to the farmers outside our factory. We have many rubber trees here. And I myself have 10 hectares. And we are the first, the newest bio-based ABS in the world. What we done? For this picture, this is the general ABS. In the TEM's picture, go into the small side. You can see the rubber particle inside, the butadiene, very small particles. And this part, you can see the very big particles come from natural rubbers, around 0.6 micron. For this, what we get? We get a very good impact properties in the PC-ABS compound compared to the general ABS. And we can keep the other property as the normal ABS. And we found that for this green ABS, we can more easier injection or easier extrusions to be the big or the larger specimens. So we can get the spoilers for the car with ABS. And now our bio-based ABS, we can claim that we have 14% bio-based in the ABS from the laboratories. And we will increase to be the 20%. And for this, for IRPC only, if we use the natural rubbers for replace butadiene, we have to use 3 million rubber trees and 6,000 hectares for planted. But in Thailand, we have much more than this. And now if you use the green ABS, you can save the CO2 equivalent for this 1 million ton per year. And sure, you don't need to buy the butadiene from the outside because we don't have the butadiene ourselves. And so I think the IRPC has to think that the bio-based will be the market demand in the future. And for this Green ABS, we can claim by the beta lab that we have 14% bio-based. And we thought that IRPC will produce the other products that has the bio-based inside, such as natural rubbers. Nobody can eat that. That's the natural rubber is not harm or not cut the food chain. So we thought that the natural rubber will be a good choice to the bio-based polymer in the future. That's it. Thank you very much.